A $230,000 4x4 Sprinter van build is the ultimate off-road adventure rig, blending luxury, technology, and rugged capability into one rolling fortress. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 chassis, this beast is designed to tackle any terrain while offering the comforts of a high-end tiny home. With its upgraded suspension, all-terrain tires, and reinforced undercarriage, it's more than just a camper, it's an overlanding powerhouse. The van's exterior is equipped with a full-body armor kit, roof rack with integrated LED light bars, and a rear-mounted spare tire system. A snorkel intake allows for deep water crossings, and a winch up front ensures that no trail is too challenging. Inside, the craftsmanship is nothing short of stunning. The interior is wrapped in premium materials, from leather upholstery to handcrafted wood cabinetry. A fully equipped kitchen features an induction cooktop, a deep stainless steel sink, a spacious fridge, and even a built-in espresso machine. The sleeping area is designed for maximum comfort, with a memory foam mattress and insulated walls to handle extreme temperatures. Advanced climate control, including a diesel heater and rooftop AC, ensures year-round comfort. LED lighting throughout the cabin is dimmable to set the perfect ambiance, and strategically placed skylights bring in natural light during the day. The van is powered by a top-tier electrical system, featuring a massive lithium battery bank, a roof-mounted solar array, and a robust inverter to handle all power needs. A smart touchscreen control panel allows users to monitor battery levels, water storage, and climate settings with ease. The van also includes a high-capacity water filtration system, making off-grid living easier by purifying water from almost any source. A full wet bath with a hot shower and a composting toilet ensures complete self-sufficiency on long journeys. Connectivity and security are top priorities in this build. A Starlink satellite internet system provides fast, reliable connections anywhere in the world, making remote work or content creation a breeze. A high-end security system, complete with motion sensors, GPS tracking, and remote monitoring, keeps the van and its occupants safe. The rear garage area is equipped with modular storage solutions for bikes, surfboards, or additional gear, making this build perfect for adventure enthusiasts. This $230,000 4x4 Sprinter van is not just a vehicle, it's an uncompromising mobile fortress built for those who refuse to settle for anything less than the best. Whether conquering rugged trails, camping off-grid for weeks, or simply traveling in unparalleled comfort, this van sets a new standard in luxury overlanding. Every inch of it is designed for both form and function, proving that adventure and opulence can go hand in hand. With its combination of top-tier materials, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched off-road capability, this is the ultimate expedition vehicle for those who want to explore the world without sacrificing comfort.